Okay, so we're going to talk about rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry is different from line symmetry because it's not about folding in half. It's about turning the shape around so that it still looks the same, and you're going to be turning it around its central point. So we'll start with a square. So a square, has 4 equal sides and it has 4 equal angles. So when you spin it around, there it's at the start, obviously, and then it fits in there second time, third time, fourth time, back to the start. So you say it has order 4. A rectangle, you can spin it around, and it's only when it gets to halfway that it fits in again. So it's the second time, back to the start. A rectangle has order 2. A rhombus, as you know, has 4 equal sides, but the angles are not equal. So you start at the beginning. It's not fitting in until you get to halfway. So it's the second time it fits in. And then it fits in back at the start again. So you say a rhombus has order 2. Parallelogram, a little bit like a rectangle. So fits in the start. You have to keep going around. Halfway it does fit in again. So, and then back to the start. So that was 2 times for the parallelogram. So it has order 2. It also has order 2. Equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is one with 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. So when you spin it around, there's second time, third time, and then back to the start. So equilateral triangle has order 3. A regular hexagon with equal sides and equal angles. So you just turn it around. There's second time, fits in, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, and back to the start. So a regular hexagon has rotational order symmetry of 6. An isosceles triangle, as you know, has 2 equal sides and 1 different length. So when you spin it around, you find there is no rotational symmetry. It only fits in at the very beginning. So you say that an isosceles triangle has not got rotational symmetry, has no rotational symmetry. You can obviously have other shapes as well, like this cross shape. Now this cross shape is basically in a square type shape because all these sides are equal. So when that happens, it's the same rotational symmetry as you get for a square. So 2, 3, 4. This shape has rotational symmetry 4 because each corner is the same. And if you had something that was in a rectangular pattern, it would have order 2. It's all about how many times it fits into itself on the way around.